Hi guys, it's Justin Neufeld from Top Notch Finishing here, and today I'm going to show you the new SawStop compact table. I think it's only been available for 2 days now, and so there's zero information on it right now. So I'm going in this completely blind with the stand, with the saw, very little info. So today I'm just going to do an unboxing. I'm going to check squareness and stuff like that out of the box, and taking it to work on Monday, so I need it ready to go. All right, we'll start with the back. Just unlocks the wrenches to change the blade, Allen key, which I'm sure hits all of these guys, miter gauge, spreader. That is called the micro guard. I will show this installed in a little bit. I don't see it being able to be hooked up to a dust collection up top, which is kind of a drag. Don't use it often, but it's nice to have. All right, now in the front, and this disappointed me right off the bat. My other SawStop, one crank, blade is up. This is traditional. Still faster than most, but not exactly stoked on that. All right, I have it plugged in. This is my first time, honestly, turn it on. Switch on main power. Okay, like that. Wait for solid green light. Let's go, baby. Okay. Pull knob to turn on motor and spin blade. Push to turn off. Well, she works. Well, she works, and she's ready to go again. So bypass mode is with the switch, and I will see that on a different page on how that all works. But I'm gonna unplug for now. Check out some stuff. It has some nice storage on the side that wraps up nicely, so big fan of that. All right, there's a latch front and back. So this is a lot like all the DeWalt saws, which is what I missed the most. Rack and pinion, locked in, pull. Has these little stoppers right here, right? Won't let you go closer than 3/8, but you can obviously bypass and bring it up as close as you want. It's just obviously a safety precaution. I like that. So when you're like, sometimes you're looking at the wrong thing here and you're going quick and you're going to hit the blade, and probably has something to do with triggering that. Just like the DeWalt, that is what you want. So locked, loaded. So here's the important part. Digital angle gauge. Zero. $90. Just gonna zero again. $45. Pretty good out of the box, I would say. So So now it is put back to 0, and I can then obviously bring this, how far? Probably 5 degrees. Oh, I can go the whole way with this. Didn't know that. So that's kind of cool. Lock it in and be like, oh, boom, I want, where are we? Oh, 10 degrees. And that being on 10 is, poof, there we go, bang on. So that's actually pretty freaking cool. This thing is accurate as heck. My issue, and I'm gonna have to, it's gonna have something to do with in here, I'm sure. I'm gonna have to look at this, but I need this saw to go to 46 degrees. It's telling me that it can go to 47, possibly. I'm going to just, okay, well, locked, okay. Locked, 45. I am now gonna see what I can do to get that to 46. Very important to me. That's 45 degrees. That's 0. So that is perfect right now. Not messing around with anything. And 45 is great for a lot of things. But if I'm doing some custom beams or something like that, there is an adjustment, and it's right here. It's 2 degrees. The problem is you can't turn it when these aren't unlocked. So this isn't a setting that you can have forever. So what you have to do is loosen that's it. And then it's at 0 right now. So even if I want to cut it to, let's say, 47, I'll put it to there. I will lock that and that. But the issue is now it's at 2.3 degrees. 46.8. I could crank it to 47 if I wanted to. So it is a bit of a drag, but it is great to know that I can adjust it. And it's very easy to adjust back, especially if you have your digital angle gauge. I'm just gonna leave it in the van. Seldomly need it, but when you do need it, it's crucial. Yeah, it's a big drag. Just like the DeWalt. Top gauge. This is basically 0 to 20. If you move this onto this guy, it gives you an extra 4 inches, and you can rip to 24, probably 24 and a half, which is ripping a sheet of 4x8 exactly in half. So I want to see how accurate this is right out of the box. It's not totally that relevant, but let's see. That is dead on 9 inches. Ooh, it's pretty. That is pretty good, guys. Maybe 9 hairs short, but we are splitting hairs here to the carbide. That's pretty damn good. That's pretty impressive, really. This will take a little bit getting used to, but every saw is different, right? I just love this system in comparison to just like a T-bar, whatever you call it, fence. Bang on, 2. Very, very, very happy with that. All right, I'm probably gonna put it on the stand now and see how that works. And I actually wanna see how it is to height. So you can see my finger right down there. This is my normal outfeed table to my DeWalt's and my SawStop job site saw. So you can play around with this. All right, time to mount. And as you can see, these are locks. Put it in, turn it, it's locked in theory. Let's try that. That's it. That's it. I think it is taller than my outfeed. So I'm gonna put it on. so I don't have to do anything. This is perfect. I was thinking I was going to have to do something totally different. I wasn't going to buy the SawStop stand. We'll see how durable it is and ripping big sheets, but pretty happy with that. All right, so this is how it'll be always set up. It actually works out that the legs hit my legs of my pulp bench because I don't want to get too close because I always have dust collection set up on this. I usually have this set up to a cyclone that goes perfectly into there. Still cut that at 45. Probably just run that way. And I'll know in 2 days when I bring this to work, but pretty happy right now, I'll tell you that much. This is going to take a much smaller footprint in my van. I guess we'll see. I'll do another video in a little bit, saying if I love it or hate it. If I love it, probably gonna buy 2 more, sell a few saws. If I hate it, I'll probably return it. But I'm hoping to love it because I have the Job Site Saw Pro and it's just a little bulky, a little heavy, doesn't have the rack and pinion fence. So when I heard about this, I was first on that list, man. I'll tell you that right now. I wanted this saw. Super excited to have it, and we'll see.